download the RStudio. First of all, you have to write the cran.org studio and your browser. Then click the enter. Here you have the Cran RStudio. Select it. There are different machines you have. Download or for the Linux, download or for the Mac OS, download or for the Windows. So now we are going to download it for the Windows. So let's move. Click the download or for Windows. So here is the base. Then click the base, and after clicking the base, download R4.24. Click this download. So we have download start here. Okay, depend upon speed of the download. So we have I have already downloaded this file. So let's open the file. Open. Okay, this is RStudio. Click yes. We have different languages. We have different languages and RStudio. Let's say these are different languages. You can choose your own one, but for this time we are going to go with English. Then select OK. Then next, then next, then next. Okay, we will go with the customized setup. Usually depend upon your choice, but we do with customized setup. So we can set the things for ourselves. Then select the next. MDI or SDI, separate window, one big window. So usually it is preferable to select the SDI, separate window. So if you want to display it on the big screen, on the other big screen, etc. So you can do that. So I will preferably select the SDI. Depend upon your choice. Next, so we will go with the plain text as it is easy. Okay, it's the art browser. Depend upon your choice. But you have to select the location for the installation and the shortcut. So as I have single, so select next, then create a desktop shortcut, etc. So we can, and here start the installation. It will take a while, and here we have done with the R programming. So we can select the RStudio. Here is the RStudio and start.